Oh my God, has a bull market been confirmed in crypto and the altcoins? Do you think what's gonna pop next? Now, you of course have noticed that Bitcoin has gone up a lot, but it's like 2x, 2.5x from the bottom, and can ever probably only do another 2x from here onwards. That's not gonna change anybody's lives, you know what I mean? What's going to be life changing though is these altcoins, particularly the smaller altcoins. What's exciting about this news is the fact that Ethereum is popping, and it is the king of these altcoins, particularly the smaller alts. The reason why Ethereum has popped a lot in the last couple of days is because Ethereum has been weakening against Bitcoin. See, this chart is crucial. It's basically Ethereum against Bitcoin, right? It made this massive run back in 2018, and then it's just been languishing against Bitcoin, and then it's doing strong again against Bitcoin. And lately, in the last year or so, see, Bitcoin has been gaining on this Bitcoin ETF news, but Ethereum has been sinking. And look what is happening here. It's basically 2 days ago, it was at this place where it was must defend territory, this 0.05 area, right? Ethereum must bounce from here against Bitcoin. And that's what it did kind of in the last 24 hours or so, right? It made a small bounce and must defend this area. Look at this chart. If Ethereum loses this level, right? If it loses this level, then Ethereum is gone. It's basically going to bear market territory versus Bitcoin. I mean, versus Bitcoin, Ethereum is really not doing well if it loses this level. So it must bounce from this level, and it just made a small bounce there. Now, zooming in on this chart, going forward, I expect Ethereum to probably continue to gain against Bitcoin, right? Bounce, say, from here back into this range, right? So it can get to like 0.085-ish area, as high as that, right? That's because there's also an Ethereum ETF that's potentially being considered by the SEC as well. It's not just a Bitcoin ETF. So why is this so important for making some life-changing, though, if Ethereum is bouncing? See, because Ethereum is the king of all the small altcoins. That's like all the coins you can name. That's graphed here. This is the top 150 altcoins. That includes, BNB, XRP, Solana, Doge, Pepe, all the coins that you can name, right? Basically to the top 150 of them. And you can see that it is just popping, right? Above this long, massive range that has been in for the last 18 months now, led by this ETH move, right? It's basically popping out of this range. That's significant. It hasn't been able to break this range for 18 months, and now it's popping out. So all those coins like Pepe, like Doge are making a move. But who could have predicted this? So this was my Twitter about 2 months ago, and I said that a bull market in altcoins has started. Money from outside of crypto and inside crypto, which is stable coins, are flowing into some of these alts, right? These altcoins, they can go up a lot more than Bitcoin because Bitcoin's so big now. That's what's life-changing here. So I would watch this situation very closely on what happens next, right? Follow Pablo for more updates.